tempting spaghetti4000's makeup that has been going all around TikTok and Instagram. I just love her futuristic look, it's so nice, and I decided to hop on this trend. I thought that this would be fun to try out. Brows are probably the most hardest part. To get that bleached eyebrow look, I'm just using a random eyelash glue, and then I'm applying this Maybelline's concealer to conceal my natural eyebrows. And after, I'm using a translucent powder from Essence to set my brows. This looks so nasty, but this is the only glue that I got, so we are gonna work on what we have. Okay, this is the best I can do. I still have to clean around the brows, so. Then I decided to add the same concealer on the lids because this will work as the base for the eyeshadow. Some powder to set the concealer, and voila, the base is done. Now we got our eye set, so we're gonna apply the eyeshadow. For the eyes, I'm using BH Cosmetics eyeshadow and blush palette. First, I'm adding some of this brownish color all over my lids and blending it. Then I'm putting this darker shade and blending it. And lastly, I'm adding the darker shade on my lids and of course blending this baby out. I also added the same darker shade into my lower lash line. To intensify the look, I'm lining my eyes with this luminous eyeliner, and I'm creating kind of a long wing because I really like the look. She has also lined this area, so we're just gonna line it too. Moving on to lashes. I just have these old lashes that I found, so. For the skin, I'm using some luminous matte oil control foundation, which I'm applying all over my face. I'm just gonna keep it really simple. And I try to put it evenly all over my skin with a brush. We're just gonna contour our face. For contour, I'm using Maybelline's Brightener Concealer. It is seriously the best, so cheap, but it works wonders, and yeah. Then I'm just setting it with the translucent powder. I'm just gonna take the darkest shade that I actually used in my lids as well. I'm just gonna use it as a contour. Of course it didn't film. What I did was to add a contour all over my face and also added blush and a highlighter. To create these Faux freckles or fake freckles, I'm just using this eyeliner pen and drawing random dots or these kind of spots all over and smudging them with a brush. As for the lips, I'm using two random lip liner shades, and I'm finishing the lip look with some Catrice tinted lip balm. And finally, I'm adding more blush from the same BH Cosmetics color palette on my cheeks, and this is the final look. This video has been so messy. At least I'm able to actually finish the video by showing you guys the end result. What do you think? I think it's kind of cute, kind of like supermodel, grungy 90s makeup look. It's kind of daring, so you have to have a lot of energy to rock this. I think I will end this video now. I'm sorry it's a bit messy. I literally forgot to say bye, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!